BUK family self-propelled, medium-range surface-to-air missile, SAM, systems. The BUK is a family of self-propelled, medium-range surface-to-air missile, SAM, systems developed by the Soviet Union and its successor, the Russian Federation. It is designed to engage cruise missiles, smart bombs, fixed and rotary-wing aircraft, and unmanned aerial vehicles in an intense clutter and jamming environment. Its main variants: 1. BUK-9K-37, the original system. NATO reporting name, SA-11 Gadfly. Service entry, 1980, full system. Predecessor, successor to the 2K12 Cub, SA-6 Gainful, system, designed to surpass it in all parameters. First version to introduce the Transporter Erector Launcher and Radar, TELAR, concept, 9A310 vehicle, which made each unit semi-autonomous by integrating the fire control radar and 4 missiles on a single chassis. Uses the 9M38 missile. Introduced a high degree of automation and improved electronic countermeasures, ECCM, compared to the Cub. 2. BUK-M3, 9K37M1. NATO reporting name, SA-11 Gadfly, often considered a direct upgrade of the original. Service entry, early 1980s. Enhanced resistance to electronic countermeasures, ECCM. Improved target classification system relying on spectral analysis of radar signals to better distinguish between target types, e.g., aircraft, ballistic missile, helicopter. Improved range and detection on the target acquisition radar, TAR, 9S18M1 Cupol, M1/Snowdrift. Still primarily uses the 9M38M1 missile, an improved version of the original. 3. BUK-M1-2, 9K37M1-2. NATO reporting name, SA-17 Grizzly, sometimes referred to by the earlier SA-11 in some sources due to the intermediate nature of the upgrade. Service entry, 1998, post-Soviet modernization. 9M317 missile capabilities. Significantly increased engagement range and altitude. Ability to engage modern threats like tactical ballistic missiles, TBMs, anti-radiation missiles, ARMS, and surface targets. Allows the system to use both the older 9M38M1 and the new 9M317 missiles. 4. BUK-M2, 9K317. NATO reporting name, SA-17 Grizzly. Service entry, 2008, full service adoption. A major step forward, this was a substantial redesign originally developed in the Soviet era but delayed until the 2000s due to economic conditions. Incorporates a phased array fire control radar, 9S36, often mounted on a telescopic lift/mast, on the new target acquisition radar, TAR, vehicle, allowing for enhanced detection and engagement of low-altitude targets, especially in forested or hilly terrain. Significantly increased number of simultaneous target engagements. New digital computer and data exchange systems. Continued use of the 9M317 missile. 5. BUK-M3, 9K317M, NATO reporting name, SA-27, designation proposed by some sources, or Viking, export name. Service entry, 2016. The latest generation, considered a nearly completely new system with drastically improved performance. New missile, uses the 9M317M missile, featuring greatly extended range, up to 70 kilometers. New active radar homing guidance mode in the terminal phase, increasing hit probability and allowing for fire and forget capability. Vertical launch (VL) capability for 360 degrees engagement, on the ship-based version and some ground variants. Increased firepower, the TELAR, 9A310M3, carries 6 missiles in launch canisters, instead of 4 exposed missiles in previous versions, and the TL, 9A316M, carries 12 missiles, significantly boosting a battery's ready-to-fire capacity. Simultaneous engagements, a single battery can reportedly engage up to 36 targets simultaneously. Networking, highly automated with advanced networking capabilities for coordination across multiple system elements. Command Vehicle, 9S470 series. Function, central command and control, receives data from various sources, assigns targets. Target Acquisition Radar, TAR 9S18 series, snow drift. Function, long-range 3D search and target designation radar. Transporter Erector Launcher and Radar, TELAR 9A310 series, fire dome radar. Function, the primary combat vehicle. Searches, tracks, illuminates the target for missile guidance, and launches missiles. Self-propelled and semi-autonomous. Transporter Erector Launcher, TEL/Loader, 9A39 series. Function, carries and launches missiles, requires target data from a TELAR for guidance, also serves as a loader for the TELAR. The BUK family has a naval counterpart known as 3K90M22 Uragan, Hurricane, or STIL-COM, and the latest version is the STIL-1 SA-11. These systems use similar missiles but are adapted for shipboard use, often featuring a vertical launch system, VLS, in the most modern iterations. The BUK family represents a highly successful and continually evolving medium-range SAM system, transitioning from a semi-active radar-guided system with limited simultaneous engagement capability in the 9K37 to a highly networked, multi-channel, and more autonomous system in the 9K317M BUK-M3, capable of countering a broad spectrum of modern aerial threats. The advanced BUK-M3, also known as Viking for export, which is a modern, medium-range surface-to-air missile, SAM, system developed by Russia. New missile, 9M317M/9R31M. The maximum engagement range has been significantly extended, typically reported up to 65 to 70 kilometers, about 40 to 43 miles, and the maximum altitude is around 35 kilometers. The missile is faster and more capable of engaging highly maneuverable targets and includes anti-ballistic missile capabilities against threats like tactical ballistic missiles. It reportedly uses a modern guidance system, often described as having an active radar homing seeker in the terminal phase, combined with inertial guidance and mid-course radio correction/data link. The self-propelled fire unit, TELAR, and transporter erector launcher, TEL, can carry 6 missiles in launch containers, transport and launch containers, TPKs, each, a 50% increase from the 4 missiles on the older BUK-M1/M2 TELARs. The use of missile containers provides better protection and readiness. The system is equipped with advanced electronic components, a new digital computer, and a high-speed data exchange system. A single fire unit is reported to be able to engage up to 6 targets simultaneously, and a full battery/division is claimed to be able to engage up to 36 targets simultaneously from any direction. The fire control radar on the TELAR units reportedly uses a phased array antenna, allowing for more rapid scanning and engagement. The BUK-M3 is designed to intercept a wide array of aerial threats, including fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters, including those using stealth technology, according to some claims. Cruise missiles. Anti-radiation missiles. Smart bombs and UAVs, drones. Tactical ballistic missiles. It also has the claimed capability to engage sea and ground targets.